Oh, guys, what do you want to do today? I don't know. ARP, man. I want watch some more ads of. Shut up. Would you please just shut up? What? You don't understand. You don't understand? Well, I understand. I pretty much. Guys, just shut up. Gotta go. Toy Freddy, guard his spot. Yeah, guard his spot, idiot. Oh, puppet. Hold on, grab me something. I'm gonna put it in my pocket real quick. Hold on. How's your day? Oh, not bad. What does it listen to? No. Stop it. Oh. What about... Can you think about something else today? What do you want to think about? I think about... Oh! What? I think about we should do this next episode. That we go on a cool, nice another adventure of you and me going to adventure next time. Let's see that Fredbear has a secret plan. Why do you think Fredbear has a secret plan in the first place? Because, you know what I mean, right? No, I don't think so. Next episode, we'll figure it out. Okay? There is no gonna be no next episode. Alright, meet me up here, by the way, puppet. Just to let you know, okay? Right? Yeah, I'm coming, actually. I'm here. Oh, look at that. You're finally here. Great. How? Whatever. Come on, just come with me. Oh, Jesus. I just cracked couple bones. Is that Frosty Flakes? That's just one chip of Frosty Flake. One chip of Frosty Flakes. Hey, that's mine. This is my Frosty Flake. This is mine. I'm just gonna... Just give me that. Got it. It's a nice little Frosty Flake. I just go. Where do you think you're going? To the grocery store? Is that right, Funtime Freddy? Is he going to the grocery store? Yeah. Yeah, sure. We're going to the grocery store. On the way. Alright. We'll just go. Yeah. Fart. We're nowhere deep into the darkness. Oh, cat toy. What? Whoa. Where are you guys? Oh, we're supposed to find a way to get a pumping station. You ever know where the pumping station is? Do we know the pumping station? I should know the pumping station. It's up your mom's face. Oh, you wanna fight? You wanna fight? Let's fight. Yeah, sure. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight. Let's fight right now. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this. And you had to taste my own chicken nugget. It's awful. What? You just abused your own chicken nugget. Look. I don't give a crap. That should be so hard. Alright, now you face for it. Who's gonna fight next? Oh crap. Okay. Hey big boy. That's how you fight. Oh, come on, Father Freddy. We gotta go. Gotta go next. Alright. Follow me. Okay. Get the camera ready. Get ready. Get the thing ready. On the way. Come on, Father Freddy. Hold up. Did you just kill my friends? Is it Joseph? Home from school? Yeah, you idiot. Home from school. Idiot. You fight my friends. We have to fight. Oh no. This is a fighting class? I didn't know I went to a fighting class. Now you are. This is the real fighting class. Alright, let's fight. Let's fight. Yeah. Yeah, let's fight. To our devs. Yeah, right. Oh, double teaming now on ya. That's right. That's right. You wanna fight, won't you? Oh yeah. What? Pay for it. You pay what you done. You wanna wait? Bond. Go get him. That's how you fight them. Puppet, you okay? Puppet, you okay? You alright? Yeah, let's see if he's okay. He's alright. Okay, cool. He's alright. You okay? Puppet. Not you. You okay? Puppet. I don't really like you. I really don't. But you okay? Yeah, I'm alright. I just got a knuckle in my face. What? Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, wait for me. Alright, I'm here. Not this way. This way. This? We're going on an adventure for. Oh, there's a friend really needs some help, and he's captured. So that's what the journal is. Oh, it's just a video of a leg. Alright, let's get our legs out of the way, and let's get into the serious problem. Alright, I'm going down first. Wait for me. Oh, my legs. Oh, my legs. You okay? Got another challenger to fight. Yes, you. It's a new challenger. Now let's fight. Come here. You know, fight to the fight. Alright. I can't believe it. You'll pay what you done. No, till you fight first. Okay. Who wants to fight first? Me? Or you? Take one fighting in the first place? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Are you okay? Puppet, okay? Yes. What direction we have to go again? The direction is that way. Right over there. That's our target. Come on, let's go. Why are you standing there? Oh, I'm coming. Oh, there's our Dutch challenge. Challenger. He said challenger. He said the wrong word. Okay, let's go. You passed him. I guess I had to find him by myself since he's retarded. Get it? He went the wrong way. He's like so slow he can't even read. Like properly. What the? Hello, my friend. Do you need some help? Oh yes, I do. Okay, I'll help you. On this way. I thought he was a fighter, because he's a friend. I like this. So, I found a friend. He's out there. A friend? Yes, I'm a friend. I can help you. And feed. We can do it together. This way. Up here. He's up here. Yay! Say the word. What word? You know what I just did. Okay. Yeet! Ow! You just go. Yay! Challenge. I will stay back here because I don't fight. I will be back here. You guys fight. Say, hey, chubby boy. Am I chubby? Am I chubby, you say? Yeah, I did. Oh, this thing's supposed to move? No, not exactly. Just see how much. Let's fight. To the whole fight. Alright. Well, you say so. I'm a winner! Not so fast. I'm the winner now, man, a chicken nugget. I'm the winner, you bag of chicken nugget foot base. What'd you just call me? I know what you just called me. Oh, fuck, bag chicken nugget. You're stupid. No, you are. No, you're stupid. No, you're stupid. You copy my voice. No, this is my voice. No, you copy mine. I'm the puppet. I'm the one that loves this beautiful song that I created. No, you did not. My favorite song is Goosebumps from Travis Scott. Huh? Which one's better? The Sicko Mode or the Scots? Oh, I like Sicko Mode, but I like the Scots more. No, Sicko Mode. Scots! The Sicko Mode! Uh-oh. I just beat him up. Cameraman. You just dropped your phone. I'm the winner. Scots wins! Oh, man, I look fancy. Not so fast. I'm the winner. I'm the winner now. Oh, I look fancy. Okay. Now let's go. Now let's go. Right now. No! That's not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to die! What? Yes! Now we fight to the courts. Now we fight down. Now we fight to heck. You die. You will die. How do you see about that? You are so tough, aren't you? I am. Watch this. I purr in your mouth. You're just disgusting. You disgraceful. That's how you teach it, folks. That's how you teach it. Alright, let's go. We need to find Time Freddy. Time Freddy? Time Freddy? You okay? Oh no. Oh no. Time Freddy, you okay? You okay? Yes. Just go without me. I'm not gonna make it that much. Just go without me for a while. Then you can make it. Just go. Go! I guess he told me to go, and I don't have a helper. But he said somebody was supposed to be coming that way. I guess he's wrong. I guess I'll just go back and never look back. But I'm getting a little tired. I'm just taking a little nap or something. Alright. I guess just take a nap right here. And then let's figure that out. Help me! Alright, you'll pay. You'll pay. Oh, you're tough. I know. You are tough enough, but you're not tough like I am. You're not tough. You like a special gift? What is it? I don't know the square. That's what you do it, folks. That's how you do it. Next adventure on Dragon Ball Z. Alright, let's keep going. I guess I just go this way. I think everyone's saying go this way. But I got a big old spot on my head. Xbox! Where's the controller? A controller. Xbox? Oh, no. No time. Oh, there's no time. Wait, a new challenger. I guess a new challenger? Hello, my new challenger friend. Do you have understand how to be like this way? Why? Who are you? Why do you look like you're so fat? Shut up. I'm not fat. You are. I'm more skinny. Wait, where'd you go? Did you just call me fat? Did you just call me fat? Did you? Call me fat? I kinda did, but not exactly. I guess we just bite to the face. Face off. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Ow! Ow! Owie! No! Help! My hip hurts! Owie! 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 Help! My interstick. This is my stick. That's your hand. Oh, oh, oh. Guys, teach me. Is this the stick? It's your hand. Well, I can use this as a stick. Is it a stick? Yeah, comment down below if it's a stick. No, I'm gonna beat you up really hard. No! Ow! 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 No, no, you retreat. You'll be dying. No, no, you will be treating. Yeah. What was that? Sorry, I had a little disease. I'm so sorry. You want to get out of here? Oh, yes. Okay. Let's just go to get out of here. I think we got some problems. On this way. Right on this way now. Let's go on the adventure. Come on. Okay. So, what are we going on the adventure for? Is it disease? No. I heard you got your friend to bring with you. I texted him. His name was Yachting Little Ranger. Wrong name. That's from a video game. It has a Christmas time. Named Utah Ranger. This way. How old do you know? Oh, you're saying. No. You know the special word? It's called YEET! Yes, I know that already. Jeez, man. Everyone keeps saying yeet, but that's just not the word you guys keep saying. What is yeet? Hey, it's heat. It's what the laser beam says all the time. Who's that? It's a YouTuber, idiot. This way. This way. The battle bus is this way. What? What? The battle bus? What's a battle bus? It's just a bus has a battle on it? No, you say. It's this way, you weirdo. Go this way. I am so confusion. It's this way. You know what the do da what? 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 You are so weird today. I don't know you. This your toy finder. Funny. Wait, what? You act like I have to get you your waggy wag. Yeah. What the? What? Oh? Okay. Alright. What is going on? You know what the way? Huh? Spring Bonnie? Okay. I came down here to save you. And what is the matter with you? Can I some Cocoa Rush right now? Because I'm hungry. So hungry. I want some food. What? I'm so confused. Me too. Should we just get out of here? Basically, this video is 24 hours long. We got to end it now. It's 24 hours long. It's a long video. Okay. Alright. We'll end it here. Alright, we'll end it here. Oh, hey guys. It's me, Freddy here. On my YouTube channel. Sorry we haven't recorded videos in a long time. I know, the latest video was the concert video in Fortnite. The previous video got deleted. March 25th, 2020 video. The first video in 2020 got deleted. I know reasons, but I'm not gonna say it. So hope you guys watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure to like this video. Yeah. Yes. Bonbon, say goodbye to this video. It's 25 minutes long. Yes. Goodbye, guys. I'm sorry I wasn't talking all along this video because I'm camera shy. I'm talking right now because I don't want to be on this video, but I have to. But I'm camera shy. I can be on the camera, but I'm speechless. So don't say anything. Yeah, he's a liar. So, see you guys later. I'll see you guys in the next video. Depends if we have one.